Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure BuzzStream for managing outreach and follow-up step by step clearly. First, visit the BuzzStream website and create a new account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you will be taken to the BuzzStream dashboard. From the dashboard, click on New Project to start configuring your outreach. Choose a name for your project that reflects its purpose. Specify the type of project you are working on, such as link building or influencer outreach. Next, set your project's goals by selecting relevant options that align with your outreach objectives. After defining your goals, proceed to add and configure your contacts. You can import contacts from other sources, or manually add new contacts. To import contacts, click on the Import button and select your data source. Follow the prompts to upload your contact list and map the necessary fields. Once your contacts are in the system, begin organizing them into relevant segments. Use tags to categorize your contacts based on their relevance or relationship. For each contact, fill in additional details such as their website, email address, and social media profiles. Now, navigate to the Outreach tab to start crafting your outreach emails. Create email templates for different outreach scenarios to save time. Make sure to personalize each template by including dynamic fields, such as the contact's name. After setting up your templates, you can start sending outreach emails. Select the contacts you want to reach out to and choose the desired email template. Schedule your emails for optimal sending times to increase your response rate. Next, track your outreach progress by monitoring replies and follow-ups. Utilize the status feature to mark each outreach attempt as contacted, replied, or not interested. For follow-ups, set reminders to ensure you stay on top of your outreach schedule. To improve your outreach strategy, analyze the performance metrics BuzzStream provides. Use these insights to tweak your approach and enhance future outreach efforts. Finally, stay consistent with your updates and keep your contact list fresh and relevant. With these steps completed, you are now equipped to manage your outreach and follow-ups effectively using BuzzStream. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.